Okay, good morning students. Now I am going to explain overall impulse response of each subsystem. So look at here, H1 of t, H4 of t, H2 of H3 of t. These are all subsystem. Now what I am going to do means I am finding overall impulse response of each subsystem. So this is related to signals and system subject. As per VTU syllabus, it is module 2 last topic. Okay, so what is the question they asked? Find the overall impulse response h of t in terms of the impulse response of each subsystem for the system shown in figure. Okay, so it is not much important for exam. However, sometimes they can ask this particular type of questions for 3 or 5 marks, 3 to 5 marks or 3 to 6 marks. So before starting this, I will teach some concept. Okay. See, look at here. Copy down the concept. Concept 1. So when subsystems H1 of t and H2 of t, okay, if they are connected in series, if the subsystems are connected in series, okay, you should write the overall subsystem can be written like this: H1 of t convolution H2 of t. This is the overall subsystem equation when they are connected in series. In module 1, okay, we are using multiplication. H1 H2 means we are writing H1 into H2. In module 2, okay, for impulse response we are writing H1 of t convolution H2 of t when they are connected in series. Suppose if they are connected like this, okay, H1 of t, H2 of t and H3 of t. Okay, now I connected 3 in series. Then what is the overall impulse response of this each subsystem? So when they are connected in series, you can add convolution symbol. H1 of t, convolution H2 of t and convolution H3 of t. Okay, got it? So when they are connected in series, you can use this logic. Okay, use convolution symbol. Okay. So next concept number 2. Concept number 2. Now they are connected in parallel. So if they are connected in parallel like this, H1 of t, okay, and then H2 of t. Okay. Now one end is connected plus, other end is also connected to plus. So now the overall impulse response of each subsystem, now this can be written as H1 of t is connected to plus, you write plus here, okay, and then H2 of t is also connected to plus, so therefore you can write H1 of t plus H2 of t. Okay, suppose if I connect another one, H3 of t. Okay, if I connect another one also, then you can add H3 of t. Suppose if I change the sign, okay, this is minus and this H3 of t is plus, then how to write? H1 of t, okay, H2 of t is connected minus, so minus H2 of t, H3 of t is connected plus, so H3 of t. So this is the overall subsystem. Okay, so overall response of each subsystem. So when they are connected in parallel, use addition and subtraction. Okay, when they are connected in series, use convolution symbol. Okay. Okay, now I am going to represent this entire block diagram, okay, with simple h of t. I am representing overall h of t for this one. See, look at here, H1 of t, H4 of t. How they are connected? They are connected in series. So therefore what I should use? H1 of t, I should use convolution symbol into H4 of t. So those two are connected in series. So that combination is added. Plus, so you can write plus or you can leave it. Next, look at here, this side. H2 of t, H3 of t. Both are connected in parallel. You just add this one. By adding that, so you can write plus. You can add that. So by adding, what you will get? H2 of t plus h3 of t. Whenever addition is there, you can use, whenever parallel is there, you write plus or minus. You see the symbols here. Okay, based on that, you modify it. Now, this set and this set I write. This set is this one, and this set I written this here. Again, summation is there. Now, both are, this set and this combination are connected in parallel. See the symbols, plus is here. What about for this set? What is the overall symbol? Minus. So therefore, I am writing minus here. Okay. Now overall this is this equation. Okay. That equation is multiplied with h5 of t. Again, multiplication came. What you should write? You should write convolution. Convolution h5 of t. Okay, got it? So therefore, I will write directly h of t. Overall impulse response is h1 of t convolution h4 of t minus h2 of t plus h3 of t. Okay, overall get multiplied with convolution h5 of t. What is this? H of t. Overall block diagram, I written a single equation. Okay, so we know that convolution formula y of t is equal to what? X of t into h of t. Y of t is equal to x of t convolution h of t. Okay, what is h of t? This entire equation. So they will give diagram. You should write overall response, overall impulse response equation. Okay, got it? I hope you understood this. Next is second problem. Similarly for this also you should write. Now look at here. So there I written a constant line. Okay, here I written constant line. Whenever I written a constant line means that particular line is written by del of t. Del of t is the input. Okay. Next h1 of t, del of t, h1 of t, h2. They won't give in actual problem. They will simply write one line. One line is there means you have to consider that is del of t. Okay. If it is continuous time, you write del of t. If everything I given in discrete time, then you write del of n. Okay, fine. Now all are connected in parallel. You see the symbols and write overall subsystem for this set. That set is get connected in series with this, and that also series with h4 of t. Then how to write the overall equation? See, look at here. I am writing this. Okay, del of t. Next, del of t is connected to plus. Yes, I written plus only. h1 of t minus is there. So you write minus h1 of t. Next to h2 of t. h2 of t is connected to plus. So plus h2 of t. Okay. Plus h2 of t. So you put a bracket for that. Okay. Then whole set is multiplied with what? h3 of t. So multiplication means what you should write? You should write convolution. h3 of t. Again that combination is multiplied with h4 of t. Again you write one more convolution h4 of t. Okay. This is overall impulse response of the each subsystem. Okay. So again, what is y of t? Y of t is equal to x of t convolution h of t. What is h of t? This is h of t. Okay, got it? They will give diagram, you write equations. Another set is they will give equations. By seeing the equation, you should write diagram. Okay, so we can move next that topics. So they will give two diagrams and they will ask for 6 marks. So pause the videos and copy down the answers. Copy down the solution by pausing the videos. So next we are moving. We are writing equation, and from that equation you should write the block diagram. Okay. So first question, second question is over. Next is head on. H of t is equal to h1 of t plus flower bracket h2 of t plus h3 of t, h2 of t plus h3 of t, close bracket. Okay, then convolution h4 of t, then convolution h4 of t. Okay, look at here. you should write diagram for this. See, this is one term and this overall is one term. This overall is one term. In the overall diagram, you have to get one summation sign. Okay, overall diagram. This set and this set are joined with summation symbol. Okay, but inside this system, inside this, there is one more summation. Okay, first you draw this. So I am writing both are connected in parallel. Okay, look at here. So what I can write that H2 of t. Another one is H3 of t. So both are connected. Both are connected to plus only. Okay, plus is there. And this, whatever the output we got this, that output is multiplied with this convolution, this term H4 of t. See, this set and this set are in series, so I can use convolution sign. And this overall, okay, what is another one? H1 of t. H1 of t is joining here, so plus and plus. So what is the output? Y of t. And what is the input? X of t. So what is this entire thing? What is this entire thing? H of t, overall H of t. Look at here, H2 of t plus H3 of t get added. That answer multiplied with H4 of t. Multiplication use convolution. So this entire equation represents this diagram. So that get added with H1 of t. So same thing I wrote. Okay. Fine. So pause the video and copy down the answer. So next we can go to next question. Question number 4. Okay, number 4. So you can write number 4. H of t is equal to H1 of t. Okay, convolution. H1 of t convolution within the bracket H2 of t plus H3 of t plus H4 of t plus H4 of t. So draw diagram for this. Draw diagram for, see, all are connected in parallel. So you write that part. Okay, H2 of t. Okay, and then H3 of t. H2 of t, H3 of t, and the next is H4 of t. H4 of t. So all are addition only. You can take one summation symbol here. Okay, all are get added. So this side you can write X of t, and this overall answer get multiplied with what? H1 of t. So you can write H1 of t here. So finally you can write output Y of t. Okay, got it? See, you can write H1 of t this side also, and summation you can write this side. You put here also, no problem. Okay, so both are correct. So for this particular equation, this is the diagram. Understood? But you write the symbols plus, plus, plus. Okay, but overall is this one that get multiplied with H1 of t. So I got, what is this overall? This overall is H of t. Okay, got it? So pause the video, copy down the solution. So next question number 5. Okay, now you can write H of t is equal to H1 of t convolution H of t, H1 of t convolution H of t plus H3 of t plus H3 of t convolution H4 of t, convolution H4 of t, H3 of t convolution H4 of t. Write the overall diagram. See, convolution, these two are connected in series. Okay, H1 of t okay, and H2 of T are connected in series. That will get added with one symbol, summation symbol. So that side is plus. Okay, what about another side? H3 of T. Okay, series na convolution. Convolution means series. So H3 of T and H4 of T. So these both are connected here. So this side you write X of T and other side you write Y of T. So what is this everything? This everything is H of T. Okay, got it? Understood? See, this and this both are connected in parallel. So therefore I can write in parallel combination. Inside parallel combination, each branch is having series. Okay, got it? So question number 5 also completed. Next step 6. Now again we can go back to, I will write diagram, then you write equation for that. So number 6. So I will go to discrete now. Okay, continuous I already done. So H1 of n. So here H2 of n. Okay, you can write your own diagram. So not issue. H3 of n. H4 of n. Okay, and here I will take a symbol. Okay, this is plus, and this side I am taking minus. Okay, this side I am taking minus, and I will write another symbol. Okay, plus is plus there, and this side also I am taking plus, and this is output Y of T. Okay, input X of T. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will take H5 of n. So that will be connected here. That will be connected there. So now you should write overall equation. So what is the overall impulse response of each subsystem? Okay. You finally, what is this everything? This everything is H of n. You write equation for that. Understood? No question. So now these two are connected in series. What can I write? What can I write? So convolution. So I will take a block. You pause the video and you can copy the diagram. Okay. So what I written here? 1, 2, 3, 4 I taken. H3 of n. Convolution H4 of n. Okay. Now these two are connected in parallel. So what I can write this overall diagram? What I can write this overall simplification? H2 of n minus this one. H2 of n minus this one. So therefore you can reduce all this. By reducing that, you can write overall. Okay, overall that is H2 of n minus. Okay, minus H3 of n convolution H4 of n. Now again look at here. Now these two are connected in series. What you can write for that? What you can write? Series now. H1 of n convolution. So some will write like this star. So I am going to write okay like this. Okay, that is convolution symbol. Okay, flower bracket. Okay, H2 of n minus H3 of n convolution H4 of n. Okay, H4 of n, close the bracket. Okay, so written. Now this is the overall simplification of this. For this simplification is this one. Now that get parallel with H5 of n. So what is the symbol? Both are pluses there. So therefore you can write add plus H5 of n. Okay, you can take one big bracket. Okay, this is the overall response H of n equation. Okay, so any doubts you can call me. 9880154482 is my number. Okay, so thank you. This completes module 2 portions. Thank you.